Hey everyone, I made it into Sam's Club. So right here at front, look, it comes with a built-in handle. That's kind of cool. These are going to be $29.98, so $30. Italian ices are $11.48. A lot of people say they like this more than Otter Pop. I still haven't tried this. I do have some on top of my freezer that I never put in the freezer over a year, and maybe they're still good. $10.28 here. It's a 12 pack, so a little discount. Prime, I guess if you're into Prime still, but I believe there's like some controversy over this. $18. Okay, this one's kind of cool. It is $200. Weight limit $132. Obviously, it's going to be for children. They used to make this for grown-ups. They used to have like a really huge one because we had one, and they don't make them anymore that big.
No.
They were, you know, the ones that you could rent for water slides. They were big like that. We bought that, and it busted. Okay, these are $29.98, and it also does kill your grass though. $20 right here. And these are $23. They have Moscato up front for $8.98. The vodka by Members Mark is $12.98. And ready to, like, it's already ready, $8.48. There is a sale at Costco with this. So this is on sale in Costco. Sangria is $6.98. Hey, check this wreath out. That's kind of cool. It's a tinsel wreath. It will light up for $30. Look at that. Pretty flashy. So $30 for that. And then look, this one has the firecrackers.
These are cool.
These are cool. They're going to be $40. Look how cool that is. $40. Haven't seen these yet. Fishing rods. Okay, these are going to be $70. 7-year warranty here. Okay, $600. The Stroller wagon is here. Normally they don't have the Stroller wagon, but here's what it looks like. It does have a canopy. Here's what it is. I have seen those bad boys in the grocery store, and I'm not gonna lie, they do take up a lot of room. And they're like coming through. I'm like, oh. Look what I found for $49.99, like $50. Yeah, $50. Little Tykes, the Bearstein Bears. And then they read it on the wall. That's so funny. What was it, Sprouts or Noggin? What was the original channel this came on?
Was it
Nina and Star? I don't know. You guys remember Nina and Star? Like, if you're a parent. They don't have that anymore. I think it's called something else. Okay, that's kind of cool. The octopus. Looks like that's going to be a sprinkler, right? I don't see it out here. Let me look real quick. This is $200 for the family pool. But the octopus dude.
Sprout was Nina and Star.
Nina and Star, that's right. Here it goes. Octopus sprinkler. I believe it's flipped over. I'm not too sure how much it is.
Everything I know is a lie. Her real name's Michelle. Not Nina.
Okay, the truck is here. This is 28. It's 28.03. I wonder why this one's on discount. There we go. It's gonna light up right there. At $16.48, you get 72 in here. These are limited edition tropical tie-dye and strawberry. Now this one, you get 40 snacks. You get Cheez-Its, Pop-Tarts, Pringles, and Crispies for $13.98. I don't think a lot of people like Cheez-Its though. I feel like that's a hard one to put in a variety box. 48 here is 17. Okay, made it into the book department. It's like right across from all the snacks. Dick and Jane reading collection, that's 10. Bluey stickers is $8.82. Noisy truck, noisy things that go. These are going to be 10. Press here. Where do I press? Oh, there's an on-off switch in the back. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's see what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't hear it. So where do you press? Oh, I hear it now. That's kind of interesting. Crash, press the bumpy tire. Huh, interesting. Okay, yeah, but you can press them. Don't Tickle the Dragon, that's $11.98. A Bluey Jigsaw Puzzle Book, this is going to be maybe $8.82. That price is ripped, kind of like rubbed off. This is all they have for like children books. Anything new is like that Bluey stuff. And then they also have this one, $8.82 right here. And then you could write on this one for $13.56. More Bluey. Wow, there's tons of Bluey today in Sam's Club. $10, 5-minute stories. Stephen King Night Shift, $7.50. Pretty much. These are $6.78. $5.43. $5.98 right here. I don't see anything too new in cookbooks like Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat. That one's $24.98. Cooking for Two is $23.76, and then same price over here. Of course, Snoop Dogg and the Ultimate Instant Pot Cookbook, $9.48. What is this one? Okay, they have these Oshkosh like water sandals, running sandals too. A lot of pink. They do have blue. Here's the blues for ya. They're going to be, there we go, $12.98. I can't see over that. Oh, look, they got like a sparkly pink one. Okay, quilts here are $49.98, and that's for a king. So if you want a king, $49.98. And if you want a queen, these are going to be $40. Okay, these are new. There's no price on them though. They kind of just have it here. Look at this one. Leak proof with straws. Wow, you get quite a bit of straws. You get bonus ones too. Oh, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 straws. So if they lose one of them, lose one. They got it. That's actually kind of cool.
And you get stickers.
And there is stickers, of course. No price though. So we have a 2-pack of skillets for $29.98. Depending on location, that pizza looks like so good. I've never made a pizza in a pan. You know what? I might try that. A deep dish pizza in a cast iron pan.
Yeah, probably like that.
$180. Who has tried it? Let me know. Okay, beef ribeye steak, $13.48. This is USDA Choice Angus. So let's see how many pounds. This is barely over 3 pounds. Barely, like 3.6. $41. The highest end here I see is 42. 42 is 3.16 pounds. They do have kefir here. I do buy the regular one for my dog. I put it in his food. But they have strawberry here. These are $5.48. All this Bailey's chocolate and strawberries and cream remind me like we're gonna be what feels like December, because normally all the alcohol's up front. Like from Chata down there, 17. Bailey's Originals, 20. Bailey's Originals, 20. Wow, because I swear that goes up during Christmas
like
time.
$30
Yeah, during Christmas time that goes up, because I'm like, that's 20. No, it's not.
Even the little bottles are like
I like
$20.
yeah.
And
Because I use it for French toast on Christmas Day, and I'm like, man, $8.98. Ooh, look at that.
Bailey's French toast. I want to try this bamboo stuff still. That's supposed to be
This right here.
Yeah, like the recipe, and it's like hundreds of years old. It's like stuff that they were drinking in Tortuga and stuff back when pirates were around.
The Philly cheesesteak right now, 6 in there for $11.68. Beef and bean burritos, you get 24 in here for $11.98. I mean, if you want to stock up your freezer, summer's around the corner, and children eat more now than what they do when they were in school, right? Okay, lasagna is $14.98. Draft right now is $19.48. Alright, you guys, this might do it. I'm dropping in on the beauty department, and I talked about this before. It works wonders. It smells amazing in my opinion, and it does give you a good volume. I do buy the volume dry shampoo from that Foxy Bay, I think it's called, in like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but I don't know if it's really giving me volume, but I mean, it works as dry shampoo. Okay, K18 still here. The hair mask. All right, that is gonna do it. And this is $21.98 right now, and then $24. And that's it. And they don't have anything new in beauty products. No, it's been a while. Normally they do, but thank you so much for joining. You know what? Let me go around the corner. But you know, thank you for watching, because I know a lot of people, like, I don't know, I get weird, odd emails. We'll just leave it at that. $31.99 here. Zit sticker. And you get 90 patches for $20. Okay. SPF 50 is $20.98. This is $20, but they do have this in Costco, but you are going to get a little more for your buck in Costco. These look like almost like, not sample, but like medium sample. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like I spent, I don't know. That's $20 though. If you want to try it. $15.98 here. And that is it. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. You get a 2-pack. And then Caress is 10. And then there's one more over here. We have cucumber and pomegranate, I want to say, for 12. Bar Soap Sensitive is on sale for 15, which is good for a 16-pack.